Everyone, welcome to Hard Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate your support in this. In this video, I'll talk about 10 technology trends that you might see in 2023. Stay until the end to see which one will be the top trend in 2023. So number 10 on our list here is the sustainable technology. We'll push for more sustainable technology in 2023. We all love our cell phone computers, but have you wondered where the components for those are coming from, or where they are made and how they are made, who are making them? People will start to think about all these things as the 2023 goes on. The data gathering from some of the data giants like AWS, Google, Netflix, and Spotify will increase as well. So in 2023, we will see the continuous push toward making the supply chain more transparent. Number 9 on our list is the progress in autonomous system. So in 2023, businesses will push for automation. They'll try to automate more things because labor will get more expensive. We will see many industries try to automate most of the processes to save money and decrease the turnaround time. We'll also see more robots employed at warehouses, and that will decrease the demand for manual labor. So on the business side of things, we'll see robotic process automation explode. Most private industries and the government will implement robots to automate most of the daily tasks that the human workers are currently doing. So number 8 on our list is the robot will become more human. So in 2023, robots will become more human both in appearance and capability. They'll be used in real world as an event greeter, bartender, concierge, uh, and other industries as well. They'll perform complex tasks in warehouses, factories, and they will work alongside human in manufacturing and logistics. One of the companies that is currently working on building robots is Tesla AI, and according to Elon Musk, in next 2 to 5 years, they'll be taking orders to build robots for different industries and people. And number 7 on our list here is the progress in green technology. As you all know that war in Ukraine kind of decreased and war in Ukraine and sanction from on Russia kind of decreased the fossil fuel, and it kind of increased the prices for all the fossil fuels across the globe. And because of that and other challenges that include carbon emission, uh, is it will be one of the biggest motivator to create green hydrogen. So you will see in 2023 the focus and push on green energy. It green hydrogen is a new clean burning source of energy that produces close to zero greenhouse gas emission. So you'll see a push for that in 2023. Number 6 on our list right now is the quantum progress. Right now, there's a worldwide race to develop quantum computing. So, quantum computing uses subatomic particles to create new ways of processing and storing information. There are trends to watch in some of the developed countries like US, the UK, Russia, and China to pour more money into quantum computing. So you will see this trend in 2023 as well. So number 5 on our list is the increasingly edible nature or editable nature. So we live in a world where we can make changes to material, plants, even human by editing them. Nanotechnology will enable us to create material with completely new features. So in 2023, gene editing technology will also accelerate. So look out for that trend as well in the industry. Number 4 on our list is the bridging the digital and physical world. So the trend between bridging the digital and physical world will continue. There are There are two components of this merger, digital twin technology and 3D printing. So digital twin technologies are virtual simulation of real world processes, operations, or product that can use to test new ideas in the in a safe general environment. And 3D printing, as you all know, it can print anything in a 3D version. Three on our list is the progress in Web3. So after the invention of Bitcoin, blockchain has been one of the on the increasing trend. You see a lot of cryptocurrency and a lot of other platforms that kind of focuses on blockchain technology. So blockchain technology will see a lot of advances in 2023 as companies create more decentralized products and services. In the future, we'll be able to store our data in more secure ways using blockchain, and it will get adopted in many financial industries as well uh, for because of their secure way of approving different transactions. Number two on our list is the metaverse will become more real. Metaverse is a shorthand for a place where people will be able to work, play, and socialize on a persistent platform. So experts predict that metaverse will increase $5 trillion to the global economy in 2023. On top of our list is the AI everywhere. In 2023, artificial intelligence will become real in organization. A no-code AI with easy drag and drop interface will enable any business to leverage into power to create more intelligent products and services. If you don't know anything about ChatGPT, it's a great example. So I have a video created on ChatGPT. You can check it out. You should see that on the top right hand corner um, right now. And AI will be more used across multiple industries, and every retailer will want to leverage it to manage and automate different processes. So you should see a very long push from different industries to adopt. You should see a long push from industries and experts to adopt AI in their field, and you will see AI in pretty much every industry. And thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions, recommendations, please put it in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to uh, create a content that is more relevant to you. Also, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.